Unveiling the mysteries of boiler replacement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack a very practical phrase that you might come across in everyday life, especially if you're living in a country with colder climates. Boiler replacement. Understanding what this entails can not only help you manage your household better but also improve your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's get started and explore what boiler replacement really means. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: boiler and replacement. A boiler is a type of equipment or device that heats water. It's commonly used in homes to provide hot water for bathing, cooking, and heating the house. On the other hand, replacement refers to the act of taking something out and putting something new in its place. When we talk about boiler replacement, we are referring to the process of removing an old or malfunctioning boiler and installing a new one. This is usually done to improve efficiency, safety, and comfort in a home or building. Boiler replacement becomes necessary under a few circumstances. Age. If a boiler is too old, it might not work efficiently, leading to higher energy bills. Breakdowns. Frequent breakdowns can indicate that a boiler is beyond repair. Safety. An unsafe boiler can pose a risk of carbon monoxide poisoning or explosions. Efficiency. New boilers are more energy efficient, reducing carbon footprint and saving money on energy bills. Understanding these signs can help homeowners make informed decisions about when to consider replacing their boiler. The process of replacing a boiler involves several key steps. 1. Assessment. A professional assesses the existing boiler and recommends a suitable replacement. 2. Choosing a boiler. Homeowners choose a new boiler based on advice, budget, and needs. 3. Removal. The old boiler is safely removed and disposed of. 4. Installation. The new boiler is installed, tested, and commissioned by a qualified technician. 5. Final checks. Safety and efficiency checks are conducted to ensure the new system is functioning correctly. This process ensures that the new boiler will provide reliable and efficient heating for the home. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of boiler replacement and why it's important for maintaining a comfortable and safe living environment. Remember, replacing a boiler can seem like a daunting task, but understanding the process and reasons behind it can make it much more manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. Stay warm and see you in the next video.